In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users in Monday.com. Whether you're just getting started with Monday.com or looking to improve your team management skills, this guide will walk you through the steps to efficiently oversee and update your team's user settings. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Monday.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. This will bring you to your workspace where you can access all your boards and tasks. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. It's usually your initials or a small picture if you've uploaded a profile photo. Go ahead and click on that icon. This menu gives you quick access to various settings and options associated with your account. Next, we're going to navigate to the administration section. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Administration and give it a click. Accessing this section is crucial because it houses all the controls you need to manage your organization and its users. Now, let's focus on the General tab. You'll find it on the left-hand side of your administration panel. Click on it, and this will guide you to a page containing all the fundamental settings related to your account management. In this tab, locate and click on Directory. The directory is designed to give you a comprehensive view of all the members, allowing you to search, sort, and filter as necessary. Once you're in the directory, direct your attention to the tab labeled Users. Click on it, and you'll find yourself at the starting point for managing your team. Here, you have the ability to view all users in your organization. Pay attention here, because this is where you can edit user information, assign different roles, or even deactivate users if needed. To actively manage your users, explore options like inviting new members, modifying existing member details, or adjusting permissions. Perhaps you want to give someone a new responsibility. You can do that here by altering their user role. You also have the option to remove permissions temporarily or permanently, ensuring that your workspace remains secure and efficient. That's it! You've successfully navigated through managing users in Monday.com. Remember, these tools are here to help you lead your team more effectively. Take advantage of these features to tailor your workspace to best fit your team's needs and ensure everyone is set up for success in their roles. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel more confident in managing your Monday.com account. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials and tips. I'll see you in the next video.